I feel very proud of the fact that the entire industry continues to grow very robustly. Yeah, I mean, and I'm sure you would have seen definitely a lot of the cost pressures that are there on the industry. You would have found a lot of the results that are coming. We have very good top line, but the bottom line is sort of getting eroded. So that's of concern, So to be a healthy industry, and the basic logic says that the top line and the bottom line should both be growing. Though the bottom line, if you as a percentage, is still good. Could be better, but it's sort of decelerating, and that's not good. Because of the war, we've seen a whole lot of costs go up, especially the input raw materials that came from West Asia. And also, there was a huge, the labor problem, it's sort of, marginalized, raises its head. So that's a big challenge one has to be wary of. Energy cost has gone up. Logistics costs, that has gone up. So there are quite a few challenges that are there, but keeping fingers crossed, we've been able to manage well. And again, internationally, there is another problem that is of memory chips. And it's not yet so pronounced in India, but one got to keep a watch, because that would sort of apply for vehicles, as we call software-defined vehicles, and that would be for connected vehicles and that have ADAS and stuff like that, So since we do not have a great population or percentage in sales of such vehicles, we've been able to manage. But if that proportion were to grow, then the memory chip issues would also raise its head.